In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add links to your Figma files. We'll walk through two straightforward ways to add links so your designs feel informative and interactive. Whether you are sharing documentation or building click-through prototypes, by the end, you'll know when to use a text link and when to use a prototype interaction. Plus a few simple formatting tips to keep everything clear. Start by opening your design. If you want a traditional hyperlink inside a paragraph or label, use a text layer. Select the specific text you want to make clickable. Look for the Create Link icon in the text toolbar, or use the shortcut Ctrl or CMD+K to move faster. Paste the full URL into the field. Include the protocol, like HTTPS, so Figma recognizes it properly. As soon as you confirm, the text becomes an active link. Linked text is automatically underlined to signal it's clickable. That default is helpful for clarity, but if it clashes with your style, you can remove the underline in the text settings. Consider balancing style and usability here. If you remove the underline, keep the link visually distinct with color or weight, so it still reads as interactive. Also, choose descriptive link text, like view guidelines, instead of a raw URL. It looks cleaner and is easier to understand at a glance. Now let's look at the prototype approach. This is ideal for buttons, icons, cards, or images, any element you want to behave like a link during an interactive walkthrough. With your layer selected, open the Prototype tab. Add an interaction, such as on click, to define when the link should trigger. Then set the action to open link and enter the destination URL. This turns that object into a clickable hotspot in your prototype, making it perfect for user flows and stakeholder demos where you want the design to feel real. A quick note on choosing between these methods. Text links live directly in your layout, which is great for documentation, specifications, and content. Rich screens. Prototype links attach to interactions on any layer, which gives you more freedom to make non-text elements behave like buttons without changing your design's typography or layout. Before you wrap up your work, keep your links consistent. Use a uniform color and style for text links and name your interactive layers clearly so collaborators can understand what's clickable. Short, meaningful link text and clean, predictable interactions go a long way toward a polished experience. That's it. Thanks for watching.